What I'm hearing is you're going to inherit a gift that is going to be very beneficial to the next chapter. Like, it's so big that you will know your new life is unfolding because of that gift. It could most definitely be a gift of protection for some of you, like unfolding some abilities, talents that will be extremely important for you to have. Ooh, I just heard a confirmation in your next chapter. Again, for example, for some of you, you're going to go global, public eye, start a new job, new career, and oh yeah, throat. It's related to you facing, I'm hearing, embracing the world. And this gift again is so massive that you could not do it without it. I'm hearing that this is an ancestor gift because you're aligned, because you're ready. 144 on the screen. It's very intense, but it's most definitely a gift to protect you against any spiritual warfare. I'm hearing traps. Oh, I got the Justice card. I am talking to someone that is really about to go global. Your service to humanity, you're about to work for God. Your gift, talent, or ability is going to start serving the world. And again, this blessing that I'm talking about since few video, what I'm literally connecting to even last months of 2025, it's massive in terms of you going to the next level will feel so easy, like real effortless movement just because of that gift. And again, my throat here is really itchy, so it's massive throat awakening. You're going to speak your truth to the world. You're going to be so impactful. Like, your aura is going to be known around the world for helping humanity. You're going to inspire the world. You're very wise. You've been doing the work behind the scene. God saw everything, was preparing you, isolating you for a reason. You needed to be empowered, confident enough to be able to take that position. By the way, it was written in the stars, I'm hearing, since way before you came into this incarnation. It's so beautiful. I'm tapping into you. Ooh, I want me to light that for you. This is going to be a help for your new chapter, new beginning. Just know that your ancestors are so proud. It's as if you broke the curse on your lineage. It is so beautiful because I'm hearing that God was also hiding you for the best of humanity, for you to be revealed exactly when the world needed you the best. Ooh, I got chills everywhere. You will know if this message is for you because you just got goosebumps, chills everywhere too. 5-5 on a time, a big change ahead. You might be working with Isis, so have been very connected to her. Risk. You're ready to take a risk. Again, connected to your career, to speaking your truth, to be global. You're not afraid. You became fearless. And that's the work. That's the preparation. That's the initiation. That's what is made for you. Speaking your truth no matter what, because then 555, that's God really playing, really having fun when God can take the control and you're a passenger seat. This is starting to become fun for God. And let me tell you that God was patiently waiting for that moment. And there is not a lot of people that can achieve the level of consciousness you have now. I'm tapping into someone next level. And this is for some reason loud in my mind that like God can now play. It can have fun. It means that you're not taking life seriously. And again, you just don't have any fears anymore. Nothing can touch you. You're unbothered. And God is making sure the money is here for you to build this new earth, by the way. So don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh yeah. Don't you worry about a thing. 7-7 on the timer. So much luck, love, light, money, blessings heading your way because you're a speaker. You're ahead. I'm hearing ahead of the world. Ahead. You are a leader, natural born leader, no doubt about it. Love and money, and it's also filling your own cup. Oh, that's so beautiful. Now that you're filling your own cup, you're ready to take care of the world. Oh my God, I love this message so much. You're filling your own cup. You fell in love on yourself. So that's why God is bringing you to the next level of really working globally, inspiring the world to let them know that, yeah, shit happened. You can go bottom, be smashed by other, lose your motivation, lose your passion. But no matter what, if God chose you to accomplish your mission, divine mission, you will do it. Trust me. It's so beautiful. You're about to bring so much love to this planet. The world needs you. Oh my God, you're filling your own cup to be able to share it with the world. What more beautiful than that? I love you. You can be so proud of you. I'm seeing a lot of stars around, and this is ancestors. They're so proud of you. You deserve everything that is happening or about to happen. It's just going to click. It's just going to happen by surprise. It's just going to hit you from nowhere. You might be like, what the fuck is she talking about? You see? That's the sun card. I cannot make this up. I got chills everywhere right now. God is delivering this blessing. That's the sun in your life. You're the sun. God is mirroring your energy. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. I'm here to help you. I'm here to empower you. I'm here to heal what's wrong, transmute the traumas in your lineage, help you get back on track. Until next time, namaste.